Did you know that eating the right foods can actually help protect your eyesight as you age? Some of the best choices are purple foods, rich in powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins that support healthy vision and protect against damage from free radicals. These foods don't just look beautiful on your plate, they can help with common concerns like dry eyes, eye strain, and even age-related issues like macular degeneration. Today, we're counting down 7 purple foods that can give your eyes the nourishment they need to stay strong and sharp. Let's get started. First up, acai berries. These small, dark purple berries from the Amazon rainforest have become famous as a superfood. And for good reason. They're loaded with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from oxidative stress, which is one of the main culprits behind age-related vision decline. What makes acai special compared to other berries is that they also contain healthy fats like omega-3 and omega-6. These fats support healthy blood flow, which is vital for nourishing the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. Better circulation means better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your retinas. Interestingly, some studies suggest diets high in anthocyanin-rich berries like acai may improve night vision and reduce eye fatigue, something many older adults notice when driving at night. Acai usually comes as frozen puree or powder, since fresh berries don't travel well. The puree is perfect for smoothies, while the powder can be sprinkled over yogurt or oatmeal. Think of it as a delicious, easy way to give your eyes daily protection. At number 6, we have blackberries. These juicy gems are rich in anthocyanins and vitamin C. Vitamin C is crucial for eye health because it supports strong blood vessels and helps reduce the risk of cataracts. Research on older adults found that those who regularly consumed berries had slower rates of both cognitive and visual decline compared to those who ate very few berries. That means your morning bowl of berries might be doing more than just tasting good. It could be protecting your eyes and brain at the same time. And here's a little history nugget. Blackberry leaves were once used in traditional folk medicine as compresses for eye inflammation. People seem to know long ago what science is only confirming now. Blackberries are easy to enjoy fresh or frozen. Add them to cereal, bake them into muffins, or just snack on them by the handful for a sweet way to keep your eyes healthy. At number 5, we've got purple grapes, and their skins are where the magic happens. Grapes are rich in resveratrol, famous for heart health, but it also helps protect the delicate tissues of the eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. They're also a source of lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that concentrate in the retina and act like natural sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful light. The ancient Greeks and Romans considered grapes a symbol of vitality and longevity. They were right to value them. Today, researchers often point to the Mediterranean diet, rich in grapes and red wine, as one reason people in those regions have lower rates of age-related macular degeneration. Snack on grapes fresh, freeze them for a refreshing treat, or toss them into salads. A handful a day can give your eyes a steady dose of protective antioxidants. At number 4, we have plums, and their dried version, prunes. These fruits are high in antioxidants and vitamin C, which strengthen the tiny blood vessels that nourish your eyes. Good circulation means your eyes get more oxygen and nutrients, reducing strain and protecting against damage. A 2010 study found that people who ate prunes regularly improved their antioxidant capacity and reduced markers of oxidative stress. Since oxidative stress contributes to vision problems, that's a big plus for your eyes. Plums are one of the oldest cultivated fruits in the world. Records show they were being grown and eaten in China more than 2,000 years ago. It's no wonder they've stood the test of time as a health food. Eat them fresh in summer, or keep dried prunes on hand year-round for a simple, eye-friendly snack. At number 3, we have eggplant. This might surprise you, but the purple skin of eggplant is loaded with a compound called nasunin. Nasunin is an anthocyanin that protects the cell membranes in your eyes, especially in the retina where light is processed. Eggplant also provides fiber and other antioxidants that support overall health. The catch is that most of the benefits are in the skin. So, whenever you cook with eggplant, leave the skin on. Eggplant was first domesticated in India, and from there, it spread across Asia and into Europe. In some traditions, it was even nicknamed the vegetable of longevity. Seems fitting for a food that can help protect your vision as you age. Roast it, grill it, or add it to stir fries. However you prepare it, eggplant brings both flavor and vision-protecting nutrients to your meals. At number 2, we have purple sweet potatoes, a true superfood for your eyes. They're rich in anthocyanins, which protect against oxidative stress, and also packed with beta-carotene, which the body turns into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for good vision and especially important for night vision. On the island of Okinawa, Japan, purple sweet potatoes are a dietary staple. Okinawans are among the longest living people in the world and have lower rates of age-related eye disease. Their purple, potato-rich diet is thought to play a big role in that. And here's a fun fact. The anthocyanin content in purple sweet potatoes is nearly 3 times higher than in blueberries, making them one of the most concentrated sources you can eat. Bake them, mash them, or slice them into fries. However you like them, purple sweet potatoes are one of the tastiest ways to support your vision. And finally, at number 1, we have purple cabbage, often called red cabbage. This humble vegetable is a powerhouse for your eyes. It's loaded with anthocyanins, vitamin A, and vitamin C, all working together to protect the cornea, prevent dryness, and fight oxidative stress that damages vision over time. It also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, the same compounds found in grapes, which act like natural filters for harmful light. During the Middle Ages, red cabbage was prized in Europe not only as food, but also as a natural dye. Healers also used it as a tonic for various ailments, including eye irritation. And modern research backs it up. Diets rich in cruciferous vegetables like cabbage have been linked to lower risks of cataracts and macular degeneration. It's also incredibly affordable and versatile. Shred it into coleslaw, toss it into salads, or stir-fry it for a colorful, nutrient-rich side dish that helps keep your eyes strong. And there you have it, 7 purple foods for your eyes. Acai berries, blackberries, purple grapes, plums and prunes, eggplant, purple sweet potato, and purple cabbage. Your eyes are precious, and protecting them doesn't have to be complicated. By adding these purple foods to your diet, you're feeding your vision with the antioxidants it needs to stay sharp. So, which of these purple foods do you already eat, and which one will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more simple, natural health breakdowns, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. You can also support our channel through Super Thanks or by checking out our merch. Links are below. Stay healthy, keep your eyes strong, and we'll see you in the next one.